Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video we will be learning how to log in to Skrill Wallet application using your mobile device. To log into Skrill Wallet, first of all open the Skrill application on your device and make sure that you are inside the login page. Now in the email tab, type in your email address associated with Skrill account and also make sure to type in your password correctly in the respective text box. After typing down your password, click Login. Now you'll need to enter your PIN code that you previously set for your wallet while creating an account. After typing down your PIN correct, you will be logged in to your Skrill Wallet account. So that's how easy it is to log in and access your Skrill Wallet in a few minutes. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.